Jacob, what are you going to do with those?
Jumping.
No, you're not going to jump. That's dangerous. Look, it's a big fall.
Big ball.
You better put them down, okay?
My ball.
Can you put them down? No jumping.
Mine. Down.
Good, thank you.
Again. Jeez. Pick up. Wash.
Want me to push you?
Yeah.
Hold on tight, okay?
Kicking trees.
Kicking trees? Are you going to kick the trees?
Cake. Cheese. Kicking. Picking nose.
Ew, don't pick your nose. That's icky.
Icky water. Icky water.
Yeah, there's no more icky water in there. Mommy took care of it, okay? We're going to put it away.
Right.
You want to go faster again?
Down.
No? Okay.
Down. Huh.